One of the most common substances you will encounter in construction and manufacturing workplaces is a small, microscopic particle called crystalline silica. Silica is present in a variety of materials, and while exposure to the skin is minimal, when inhaled, silica can become a serious, life-threatening hazard by creating numerous respiratory diseases. As you work in and around silica, you need to understand how to identify it, how to protect yourself and others from it, and to be aware of the warning signs of a potential exposure. Welcome to the Silica Awareness Orientation Training. During this course, we will cover the following learning objectives. What is silica? Silica exposure. Silica prevention. Crystalline silica is a common mineral found in many construction materials. These include sand, stone, concrete, brick, and mortar. When workers are cutting, grinding, sanding, drilling, or crushing any of the previous materials, it can create very small dust particles. This is crystalline silica in its most dangerous form. And the reason? These particles are respirable particles. In other words, they can be inhaled or breathed into the body because of their small size. Once in the body, they can travel deep into a worker's lungs and scar the lung tissue. This causes silicosis, which is incurable and can be a deadly lung disease.